Alright, today we are going to unbox a Powermatic 64B table saw. So this one here has the 30-inch AccuFence. That's the kind I got. It also has a 50-inch one as well. Piece of wood on the end of it. Help protect it. Here are the parts for the fence. Angle tube. We'll have to attach the tape measure onto that ourselves. And then another piece of angle iron. I think one's for the front of the fence rail and the other will be for the back. It's like 1/8 inch thick steel tubes, so that should be plenty durable. Box here. This is the wooden cable extension. Yeah, so there's the wooden extension. I'll get connected onto the side of the cast iron top. Yeah. So yeah, it's definitely a thick cable top. Alright, snap to the side. Okay. Okay, so this will hook on to the metal tubing and angle iron we have. We'll get to that part. Handle knob. Some instructions. Care if I don't bust here's the clear tab for the tape measure. I'm careful of that. Set that over here. The knob with that and lose it. have this in layers. And we've got we got wrenches, Allen wrenches, some nuts and bolts. There's a couple of the wheels to tilt the saw. There's the other one. Got the leg assembly for the base. Fairly thick steel, so that's good. Manual. Some more of the, it's like the legs and more bracing for the stand. Here's one of the wings for the cast iron top. Got that wrapped in plastic. And they got some oil on it too, which is good. So that will have to wipe off and get that cleaned. And I've got denatured alcohol to clean the oil off. And then some paste wax that I'll use to coat it afterward to protect it. And got that on the table. So that's what I'll be using to clean and protect them. And I'll put those to the side. Push stick. I don't know if I'm going to use this. I like making my own out of wood. But it is. It's like some top of the stand. It looks like. Some more brackets. So there's the motor. Got the motor cover. And here we have it's like the other wing for the tabletop. So there's the other wing. It's wrapped up in plastic and got some oil on it, so that's good. Here's the power switch. Get that bolted onto the motor. Rid of the casing there. There's a motor cover. We got a riving knife, a low profile one, and an insert here for the saw. I'll probably make a zero clearance one at some point. And see the riving knife. I'll show it in the next video, but looks like it's I don't know if you can see, but it shows the dimensions of the thickness of the saw blade that it can handle. So it should be 1/8 inch wide curve. Alright, well, for today's video, that is the unboxing. I'll have to get some of these parts cleaned up, the stand put together, get the body of the table saw on top of that, and maybe show how how the wings of the tabletop get attached, and we'll go from there. So I gotta put the fence on, of course. So that is it for today's video. Wish it was warmer. Wouldn't need my gloves, but do what you gotta do. So that is it. Thank you all for watching. If you liked the video, give us a like. Have a great day.